Hi, you're watching Review Machines, the channel about most interesting machines for work and fun. Today I prepared a short video. I want to show you an interesting cooperation of two machines. It's a quite efficient tandem which consists of a Towable backhoe and mini dumper. By the way, it's no matter what models of the machines you use. It may be different factory-made machines and even hand-made equipment. In this video I show Towable backhoe HBP9 and mini dumper ANT BY300. Interesting, rather affordable and efficient machines. I like to work with them. HBP9 is a gasoline backhoe and it can be used in any kind of earth-moving jobs, but best of all it works as trencher. BY300 is a mini dumper to move any cargoes with weight up to 700 pounds. You can see detailed reviews of both machines at my channel. As the practice shown, these machines can work together very efficiently. Certainly they are quite self-sufficient and can be used separately, but it's very convenient to have both these machines as they supplement each other. The mini dumper can be equipped with a hitch, which is mounted in front of the machine. In this way the dumper turns into a towing vehicle, and it can tow any trailers, including our backhoe. In my review of the Towable backhoe HBP9 I mentioned that the machine has many advantages like affordable price, digging depth up to 2 meters, quality and repairability and so on, but also it has a main disadvantage. The backhoe is non-self-propelled and it can be moved in 3 ways. It can be towed by a vehicle, it can be moved manually, and it can move itself by the boom. But all these 3 ways are rather complicated, and the mini dumper can do here a lot of good. It's very convenient to move the backhoe by the dumper. Mini dumper is powerful enough to tow the excavator within a construction yard. Due to the hydraulic 4-wheel drive, it's even able to tackle rough terrain. Sometimes the dumper doesn't have enough weight to tow the backhoe on a rough ground. In this case, it should be loaded with some cargo to get enough weight. If the ground conditions are really tough, it will be better not to push the backhoe but pull it. And I should say the dumper is very compact, it can be used in tight space unlike a big vehicle. So on the one hand the mini dumper do a great assistance to move the backhoe. On the other hand it helps very much for the digging process. Everybody who sometimes does any digging jobs knows that removing a ground dug from the hole is a very tedious and difficult task. For example, when you dig a foundation, it's a big problem how to remove the ground from the hole. With the mini dumper it's no problem anymore. You can unload a bucket of the backhoe right into the body of the dumper, then it's very convenient to take the ground to the proper place and unload it there. In this way, the Towable backhoe together with the mini dumper is a very effective tandem which can be useful for many purposes. It may be useful for digging foundations and pipelines, for landscape design, for leveling the ground and so on. And these machines are even more attractive taking into account their affordable price. So if you are looking for a good piece of equipment for earth moving, pay attention to this couple, they are worth of it. Thanks for watching, subscribe the channel, there will be many more interesting videos, goodbye.